Let me show you how to structure offer. So obviously that there is a misconception that your funnel fails. So actually what fails is your offer. If you are posting daily, building automations, still not selling, it's not a funnel problem, it's focus problem. Let me show you how to structure offer. So obviously that people feel stupid to say no. Step number one is irresistible entry point. Sell them what they want, give them what they need. So your front end is not about teaching, it's about getting the click. So example, get 1 to 3 clients in 7 days, no ads, no outreach, no funnel. Close 2k plus client in one DM offer. If doesn't feel like scam, then it's not in their favor. It won't convert cold traffic. Make the quick win believable and specific. Step number two is upsell ladder. The best time to sell someone again is right after they buy. Each offer solves the next logical problem. So bought the framework, now show examples, saw the example, give them objection script, still nervous, join the recurring group. So example of stack funnel is, so if you have a $7 sales funnel offer, then $27 sales call recording, then $97 objection handling superscript. So this is the way you build $97 for lifetime group membership. Okay, so like that you just build the offer stack. Step number three is choose a model worth living. The worst funnel is the funnel one that sells but builds a life that you hate. So reverse engineer the skills you enjoy, clients you want, time you are willing to give. So based on that, you design the plan. So imagine this, your $7 offer that dialed in, so aligned, so juicy that people say yes without needing a funnel. So that kind of offer you need to create, and I have created that exact same offer. Check the link in description. You will find the exact my whole 30 days cash injection formula and all super scripts and everything. GPTs, 333 GPTs. Just check the link in description. There are many more bonuses. Just check the link. So I have just created to show you exactly what this exactly the same offer is. That makes your sales very easy. Just check the link in description. Whether if you want to buy it or not buy it, just check it so you understand the offer structure.